Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Indian English Version School. Today I am gonna take mathematics class for class 1, and our today's topic is word problems, which is included your half yearly exam, and our today's lecture number 30 and HW is 24. My dear students, our today's topic is word problem, which is very important for your half yearly exam. Now let's go to start our class. Number 1, Thomas catches 5 fishes. Kobita catches 7 fishes. Who catches more fishes and how many? So solution. First question is who catches more fishes. So here look at the figure here. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 fishes, and another here is 1 2 3 4 5. First question, who catches more fishes? Look, here is 1 2 3 4 5, and here is 2 is extra. So Thomas catches 5 fishes. Thomas catches 5 fishes and Kobita catches 7 fishes. So here 7 fishes is obviously greater than 5 fishes. Therefore Kobita catches more fishes. Now the second question, how many? So here Thomas catches Thomas catches 7 fishes and Kobita catches Thomas catches 5 fishes and Kobita catches 7 fishes. Now how many? Here is more. 5 from 7. 5 from 7, 6, 7. So 2 more fishes. So the answer is first question was who catches more fishes? Who catches more fishes? Kobita catches more fishes. And the second one, 2 more fishes. So the first answer is Kobita and the second answer is 2 more fishes. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now go to the next question. Rumi has 4 balloons. She is given 2 more balloons. How many balloons does she have now? Look at the figure here. 1 2 3 4, and she is given 2 more. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. So solution is Rumi has 4 balloons. She is given 2 balloons. Now in total 6 balloons. So Rumi has now 6 balloons in total. So the answer is 6 balloons. Answer is 6 balloons. My dear students, hope you understood today's class, and today's class is very important for your half yearly exam. So practice it at your home more and more. Abide by your parents. Take care of yourself. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.